Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our channel Mathematics. I was busy for last few days. Now we are doing the next method, HCF by prime, HCF by factor method. Our next topic is about HCF by prime factorization method. So in our previous topics we have discussed about the different ways to find LCM, and now we are finding the HCF. So the HCF by factor method is very easy, and this is the first method of finding HCF. So basically we are coming with the question. आपके पास कोई भी question हो सकता है. First of all, we have to make the factors of 26 and 32. So for finding factors, what can you do? What you have to do, write down from the starting first number. First number is 1. As you know, 1 into 26, 26. So these both are the factors of 26. And now come to the next number 2. 2 13s are 26 as well, as you know. So 2 and 13 both are the factors of 26. Now we are coming to the 3. 3 के टेबल में 26 नहीं आता. 4 की टेबल में no. In table of 5 no. 6 no. 7 no. 8 no. 9 no. 10 आप देखते जाएंगे जैसे जैसे आप आगे जाएं, तो एट द एंड आपको यही पता चलेगा कि 13 2 ही 26 है. तो हम ऑलरेडी 13 राइट कर चुके हैं. सो बेसिकली दीज 4 आर द फैक्टर्स. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द स्मॉलेस्ट वन विच इज़ 1, and the second one is 2 and 13 and then 26. So just like that 26 we will find the factors of 32. So for finding the factors of 32 we just do the same method as it is in table of 1. 132s are, so these both 1 and 32 are the factors of 32. And then we come to the table of 2. As the 32 is even number, so we can say that 32 16s are 32. 2 and 16 both are the factors of 32. Now come to the table of 3. As you know, 32 is not coming in the table of 3 in the table of 3. So we come to the next table, which is 4. 4 8 is 32, as you know. And then we are doing checking if 5 is factor or 6 is factor or 7 is factor. These all are not a factor of 32. Now we are coming to the table of 8. बेसिकली हम पहले ये ट्राई कर चुके हैं, तो उसको अगेन राइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब आपके पास रिपीटेडली वही फैक्टर आ जाए जो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, आपके पास ऑलरेडी आ चुका है, सो यू हैव टू स्टॉप. देन यू हैव टू राइट द फैक्टर नंबर 1 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. That's it. Now so finding the HCF stand for highest common factor. So for finding the highest common factor, first of all we have to find the common factor, which is CF. Common factor is 1 and 2. There is no other common factor here. 13 इधर है, but they are not present in the factors of 32. So we are finding the second common factor, which is 2, 1 and 2. And for finding the HCF we have to multiply the common factor. 1 into 2 is equals to 2. So basically this is the highest common factor of 26 and 32. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, like, share and